Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss about regarding OR and invert logic. OR and invert logic. Okay. So in this OR and invert logic, I am taking one expression, Boolean expression, that is y equal to a plus b into c plus d. Okay, a plus b into c plus d. So here why? Because it is having OR operation and then AND operation, right? A plus b into c plus d. So a plus b is the OR operation and c plus d is also OR operation, but both are having product here, that is for AND operation, right? So that's why I'm taking this expression y equal to a plus b into c plus d, right? So now we are going to connect the CMOS circuit for this expression. We are going to connect the CMOS circuit. Okay, take the first term, that is OR gate. So for a plus b, okay, that is for OR gate. So a plus b are the addition, so for that we have to use OR gate. So for OR operation, the CMOS transistors, okay, in CMOS transistors the PMOS transistor should be connected in series and NMOS transistor should be in parallel. Okay, for OR operation the PMOS transistor should be connected in series and NMOS should be connected in parallel. Okay, similarly for second term also, for C plus D, that is also having OR operation. So for OR operation, the CMOS transistors in which the PMOS transistor should be connected in series and NMOS transistor should be connected in parallel. Now we see that one. See the first one, a plus b, right? So see that one. So here the a and b are connected in series. Here there are PMOS transistors. So PMOS transistor should be connected in series. This is for AB, right? And in next slide, it is connected in C and D, also connected in series. There are for PMOS transistors. So for our operation, the transistors PMOS transistors should be connected in series, okay, and NMOS transistor should be connected in parallel. Okay, here both AB and CD are connected in series here. Okay, why? Because these are the PMOS transistors, right? And in, so I'm taking both these A, B, C, D, right? So in this way I'm connecting this, right? So all these are PMOS transistors, right? So for our operation the PMOS transistor should be connected in series, right? So and this one is of pull-up network. So pull-up network is having PMOS transistors, right? And in next slide, so here the NMOS transistors of A and B, that should be connected in parallel. Okay, these two are the Q5 and Q6 are the NMOS transistors of A and B, and that should be in parallel here, right? So NMOS transistor should be connected in parallel, but whereas PMOS, that should be in series, right? So this one is of regarding A and B, that are of NMOS transistors, that should be connected in parallel. Okay, and CD also same, that should be connected in parallel here. Q7 and Q8 are connected in parallel. Now take these parallel connections in this way, AB and CD, right? So here it is, the connection is there. So this one is of regarding the NMOS transistors, and this one is of totally pull down network. So now we are going to connect both pull up network and pull down network, right? Pull up network block is having PMOS transistors and pull down network is having NMOS transistors, right? So this one is total figure. So it is having both pull up network and pull down network, right? So here this one is of pull up network. So these are connected in series. Here PMOS transistors are connected in series. Here this one is of pull down network. So here the NMOS transistors are connected in parallel, right? Because it is of the OR operation, right? And the output can be taken from here, right? The output is taken from here. So we can write the output here. Output, whether it is Y, whatever it is, right? So in this way we have to connect OR and invert logic. In this way we have to connect OR and invert logic. So always for OR operation the PMOS transistor should be connected in series. Okay, here also it is in series, right? And for NMOS transistor, those are in parallel, right? So and this one is of pull up network and this one is of pull down network. So this one is of the entire circuit and output is taken from here. Okay, in middle, from the middle we take the output here between pull up network and then pull down network, right? So this one is regarding OR and invert logic. So coming to the truth table, so truth table can be written based on these two conditions, right? For PMOS transistors, whenever we apply gate equal to 0, PMOS will be on. Whenever we apply gate equal to 1, the PMOS transistors will be all off, right? Similarly, NMOS transistors also, whenever we apply G equal to gate equal to 0, it will be off. Whenever we apply gate equal to 1, it will be on, right? So in this way we can write the truth table also, right? While you are applying the four so here it is having four inputs now, A, B and C and D. So we are having four inputs, so you'll get the 16 possible conditions. Okay, for 4 input variables we'll get the 16 possible conditions. So for those 4 inputs we have to write the truth table. Okay, here we have to write whether the Q1 or Q2 or Q3 or Q4 they are on or off. We have to write it. Okay, based on these two conditions we can write easily, right? So that is regarding the OR and invert logic. Okay, so this entire thing regarding OR and invert logic. Okay, so that is regarding OR and invert logic. Okay, thank you all. Thank you.